British Columbia PNP Tech Draw, another draw result here. 126 immigration invitations were issued as a result of the British Columbia PNP Tech Draw. British Columbia has issued 840 invitations to file for provincial nominations so far this year, guys. This result was announced on February 1st. It's very recent. It means that British Columbia asked 126 IT employees to apply for a provincial nomination. The invitations were sent out through the British Columbia PNP Tech stream of the Provincial Nominee Program in British Columbia. The British Columbia Provincial Nominee Program (PNP) is an economic immigration route utilized by the Government of British Columbia to recruit experienced in-demand foreign professionals. The program provides a path to permanent residency for person who desires to live and work in British Columbia. Candidates invited through British Columbia Tech Draws must fulfill the requirements of one of the Express Entry British Columbia or skills immigration categories, which are maintained by the Skill and Immigration Registration System in British Columbia. Candidates in this draw were from the skilled worker and international graduate subcategories and had to have a provincial score of at least 80. Candidates who have been invited to apply for the nomination now have 30 days to do so. Let me give you a brief overview about British Columbia PNP Tech program. Following a labor market assessment, the British Columbia PNP Tech was established in May 2017 as a trial program, with the largest difficulty confronting British Columbia's technology industry being access to talent. Because of the project's success, British Columbia decided to make it a permanent program. Its purpose is to allow firms in the technology industry in British Columbia to continue to recruit and choose overseas talent when qualified personnel are not available in Canada. The British Columbia PNP Tech in particular is a fast-track immigration route for high-demand tech workers and international students. To qualify for the stream, candidates must be registered in one of British Columbia's existing provincial immigration stream and have a valid 12 months job offer in one of the 29 eligible occupations. Job offer under the British Columbia PNP Tech must be for a minimum of 1 year with at least 120 days left at the time of application to the British Columbia PNP, unlike other British Columbia PNP streams. It must also be full-time and from British Columbia PNP eligible employer. The British Columbia PNP Tech program sends invitations on a weekly basis to the top scoring individuals who fulfill the eligibility standard. Candidates who are requested to seek for a provincial nomination must complete an application in its entirety. Most tech applications will be approved in 2 to 3 months after this is completed. If approved, applicants will obtain a nomination confirmation letter from Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, in short form we call it IRCC, which they can use to apply for permanent residence under the Provincial Nominee Program class. PNP applicants automatically receive 600 points for their comprehensive ranking score, putting them in a strong position to receive an invitation to apply for permanent residence under the Express Entry system. This is Khalil. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please do subscribe it. Hit the bell icon button to get new videos notification on time. If you found this information helpful, then give a big thumb to this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.